Hello. Today, we'll be taking a look at 𝗏𝗏𝐺𝑟's data import feature to understand where users can access the data import tool, which files can be imported, and the four-step process involved with importing or updating data. In order to see a full list of the details that can be imported, users can navigate to the Admin Import Data area. Here, we'll actually see a list of all the files that can be imported into 𝗏𝗏𝐺𝑟. Users can select the checkbox for the individual file they wish to import and then click Next to open the import wizard. Alternatively, importing data can also be done from any of the file data grids by navigating to Files and selecting the file you wish to import. Once on the file screen, users can select the import link on the upper right just above the data grid. Using either method will open the data import wizard, where you can import data in 4 easy steps. In step 1, users will choose their data source for where the file is located, including selecting from any of the on-screen cloud services, and then click Next, where the user can then select the file they wish to import. After selecting the file, the user will see a preview of the data on the screen. Clicking Next will then take users to step 2, where they will be able to map their spreadsheet columns to individual fields in 𝗏𝗏𝐺𝑟. Users will have the option to import new data, update existing records, and depending on what files are being imported, users will have additional import options such as creating parent-child relationships with assets and uploading bill of materials for inventory assemblies. One thing to note is that if the column headers in your spreadsheet match the field names in 𝗏𝗏𝐺𝑟, these will automatically be mapped to the matching field names. And if you wish to save the map for later use, you can do so here in the Saved Maps area and save this map for future imports. Once the data fields are mapped, clicking Next again will initiate step 3, which is a validation check to ensure that there are no duplicates being uploaded into the system, and also to confirm there are no duplicates in the spreadsheet, and to verify that any missing data that needs to be created first, such as locations or categories, are in place. If errors are found, they can either be edited from the data import window or removed so that they are not imported. Once any corrections are made and errors are removed, users can then revalidate the data, and if no errors appear on screen, users can then click the Import button to begin step 4. Once completed, the user can then navigate to the data file they just imported to see all of the details that were uploaded. Thank you for taking the time to view this video.